On a day-to-day basis, I would take on a task or project, and I would start that from design analysis all the way through to development, testing, maintenance and delivery. So basically I'm starting a project from the beginning to the end and seeing it out. We work in sprints, so you have 3 weeks to work on a certain task, and after a sprint ends, you usually take up another task. Depending on the area that you're working on, the project that you're working on, different technical skills will come into play. So whether you're working with Java or JavaScript or Python, it will be based on the project itself. But also communication is a big part of that. I'm working in a very global company, so I'm dealing with teams across different parts of the world, so it's so important for me to link in with them and see what they're doing. You know, if someone said to me 3 years ago that I would be a trainee software engineer, I would not believe them at all. My primary degree was in business and law, and I just felt at the end of that I didn't have enough knowledge to kind of enter the workforce, or I wasn't confident in myself. So after that finished, I started on a higher diploma in computer science that I did through Springboard. So it was pretty much a conversion course that used some of the skills I gained through my primary degree. And then once that finished, I was actually sponsored by Ericsson and SkillsNet to complete a master's in software engineering. And that really got me where I am today. There's so much to love about working in IT. You know, it's getting that experience with new and interesting technologies, and things are always changing as well. And it's such a big area that you can find something that you're really interested in and go into that area. But like, I'm working in Ericsson at the minute, and there's so much to love about that company. They're really big on knowledge sharing, and you're really learning new stuff every single day. For anyone starting out new, it can be really daunting going into the IT industry, but it's so important to keep an open mind. You'll go into companies, but no one is expecting you to know everything. You're there to be trained, to learn and to grow as a software engineer.